me ayi ma omo ho ofe omo ho akono omo ho twa no mutimi de omo sisi edi asa awo soma ne ye fe emre na so se ekwayi omo mia nyina
Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yebi Kumawu TV aba amansane winano baby Kumawu TV amansane yena yebi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yebi Kumawu TV aba amansane
fato onyankopon ti asefo no onhira wo onyame na obo so ne asase na obo ahohom na obo me na obo wo na obo mu ne manyina no sa nyame na edi asedama no enhira nka obo ade ede nyankopon ase wani guso ohwe de Kumawu ohwe Kumawu TV na Kumawu TV no ne nkra bata ba ko a yesua de e friend de spiritual hosit eso eno wani guso a wo hwe yi da bia usua de na ne ebemu usua de a wa be hu sampa usua de ye pese ohunu onyankopon ti asefo na bode ene de ewom sana ewi asekura sitie da bia maka bia cho se onyankopon twamfo ne bi woni pa ho na nso nipa nhwe e ma adwene mu da onse ewi ase wei ekuta ne ma mienu anya adeche a e adesaye anameboa enti so hwe onsam ha se ya ne kala no nko aha adeche ana hwe ase ya aha so ya adesaye so hwe ase ya frana ensayem aha ya ensachi ni nyina so ya ensa ba ko ya ade na ha tuntum na ha kokko adeche ni nie ana adesaye ni ti so bi onsam se ya hu se han edem ba wo ye se ya na sum so edai ti nyankopon no wo ye sum ana osaye han sa na nyameti wo de ye bone obeye wo de ye papa obeye enti abusua ene ye ba besua de na ade na ye ba besua no anu odin wonte bi da ye se the spiritual host so ipa cho me ya me di dwumade ho chia me no me din ene major prophet Charles Opoku Daako pa cho from major major so na edin a sunsumfo empanimfo de nimme ya wo bo na me honhono na me ye kese na me bebo no ene the great oracle o from sa major so onyankopon shawo me pa cho ma menye nkrato mra me ba ye beto aso
Job training. Kumawu Training Institute. Aye Kumawu TV for at the job training. Ghana for nyina. Ye the enamienu esi ho. Achretre ensa no nyuma bi te say fresh yogurt. Send ye see ye fresh yogurt. Bees making. Send ye see ye ahwene de to ye ensa ne ye sisi fefefe. Liquid soap, shower gel, floor cleaner, parazone, ice cream, banana and strawberry ice cream. Afei so ye besen so achretre 3D epoxy biodigester sansa no dwuma we nyina no ye de nam yenu pe esi ho na ya kyerɛkyerɛw we eye Kumawu TV for ana ahyeda akofa a teacher for a oma ben ewo nimdie ewo nsa no nwuma ho se omo betimi akyerɛkyerɛw na wo nso wanya wo nsa no adwuma na wo de aba obra eye ku 300 Ghana cedis pe ana se ye de 300 Ghana cedis pe e besua sa ne ma we nyina e de nam yenu pe na eye baby a ofri bia no wo betimi ababi ye nyina ye bakuma ase eye ahojo atenga junction baby a Kumawu TV wona se wo fra chiri na eba accommodation baby a obeda no eye free Jumade ebaso 22nd and 23rd February 2020 eti busumi atosu mienu nida atosu aduonu mienu ene aduonu miensa enumu ana ye sa jumade eye memenda ene kwasiada ene ye si ho se ye sa jumade we obi bia timi baby se wo ye lawyer ni se wo ye fitani se wo ye okuani adwuma bia wo ye bia bra ne besua nsa no dwuma so ka ho enu ti fa number na egu screen so no ne frey ensesi a frey was 0200 603 602 frey 0543596070 Freyense CA na register wudin eye Kumawu Training Institute ose ensanu dwuma ahimfie afei na yesu atiasimu ebeye
Are you ready? Pound it up, pound it up, pound it up, pound it up.
Yes, Emmanuel so was it Ubati Awuso shake your waist ejeko ejebo ejananya bedu Awuso jumedia ye free naka cry achinchiri akwamia mia ayi ma omu ho fe omu akono omu ho twa no mutimi de omu sisi edi asa Awuso ma ne ye fe Emmanuel so say ekwayi omu mia nyina ye do omu nyina be hye mu ewo kumase ye be hwe who is who Sabrina nso betimi avote na wo de ma favorite contestant why ene bedu kunim wey eye Kumawu TV the April live mimi the way and mimi the bia ewo awas pap ahojo Atenga Junction Kumase baby a Kumawu TV wono anumre no sia pepepe na red carpet da chance no so na audience ni na trance 8 p.m. na nwotwe pepepe e di dwumade na ahyehye so eye free anoti wonu abusuafo nyina momra na mama support mo favorite contestant but modi asa oba vote for Google Play Store download Kumawu multimedia and asa bo Awuso keke na follow instructions no never vote my favorite contestant wey aya Wobati Awuso was shake your waist sponsored by Wobati Agombia capsules and Asempa Heba Misha supported by some Dakus initiative Immense Creation and a PSA collection was Wobati Awuso shake your waist abaya butu
Otumfo nyankopon sha no onye okese pa enna wo ba besua de na adesua ne de me pa chaw se de medical aka no me se eya adesua enya atemdedie metasla ya me didi dwuma 0272 854387 0272854387 wey ene tesla me didi dwuma me pa chaw enfre me da bia me na so sa asem enfre obi je number o de ba be phrase ya me pa cho fra me mpeke o me na mete yi enti bo modern aso be test untime ntwa nya by force so de me che no so obenye obi nso ma na twra ma wa o twro ba be kenkai na de ya semisa no ya yi ano e de ama wo hye no nso ma me enche me se bie phone line no se de be ya wo so be ba so bi na wa ba be che de wonim ene onti ase ene de wo hu no ene wa semisa ya be gire nyina onyankopon hirawo na asem tere da ho ya to ne din ana said ye be bobo ho ne say Lucifer and the hidden demons asem tere no Lucifer and the hidden demons ya ka say Lucifer ona hwan ahom be na ho a ye hunu ye ne anti o monka da say di enim aye Lucifer Satan ento obi nim say ewiase wei yakasa Satan ono nko ane bonsam wo ana ono nko ane demon wo ente saa enu nti ena the spiritual host ya funfunu ne yakofa odesua ne odehunu ni ene odiyoni wasua wahunu ene wasade ya adwuma yakofa na base omra mekere wo no mabiebie ne yamani so na ye hunu se wiase wei no sai na tie sana mede mensa eye mfato ho kere wo no ye to aso pepa cho me dase Bema akwaba. Yeah. Na ho to say. Ya meti ase. Ibi adona kwa. If you ada bia menya ho e wo mafidie so. Empeni for say ade a ede. Ana aduane ede ena nkrofo twa ho hia. Aha. Na ka so a efe ne yefro. Enti ada wo ma de enti a mede wachi nyina enya bibia de wunim eburu nipa adwen ena onte ase so nti akwanya na base esa me fa obetra if you ada bia na be cheche de wunim ene de wasu ehunu ene de woyo na mo bi ehunu nipa bebre ta efreme ye pebra ima number o number de also mfa ntodwa de say nti se wo mfa ntodwa me so mfa mo bia padaroma obi nimu ebi ananko ane da obi hwe wo obesa bodin no ache de otime ye ne ya to aso.
Okay, your friend me Emmanuel, yeah. Me no. Ana da bia said America no. Me nipa me ton niema na say mpaboa said da bia America no. Majuma media no.
Ya da radiase. Me pacho afidie so de your friend Brayima. So on said de tie Brayima. Ya mfa ne de ma de ne de se no. say unu a ote afidie so osua nanso de egunu mo no say onya small entity or a lord on the mention or a lord in human flesh enti sanity enti o address na no address ni ye said the okofre opani bi a o mfre ne de nwe no ya fre ne brai mama me da ase brai ma one number de said we ka so mfa ntodwa enti me so me nko ho kra ena ade ampese esua ho ade eye nipa bebre say ya ka bonsam o abonsam kro ne hwan ene ya ka mimiam yi because o ka ne twi na wo hu said obesi aka no ya ka se satan on hwan ya ka se Lucifer on hwan nipa bebre contradict obi nim se Lucifer no ane Satan ena apart from sa enkrofo mienu yi anasa awura no mienu yi ye wo ahohoma kese bi nso wo ho a wo mo nso di dwuma te se Satan ne Lucifer no mo na
ye obi sa ho
bibisa ho
okay bibisa ho se ye ka se ye di achekwa na ye be sha se free creation bi ase abode yan
ewi ase abode
ye be sha se
okay
ti de ye ne se ye wo anyame bi ye frɛ obi ti se mundus
anyame bi
e wo ho ye frɛ mo
mundus
yeah
mundus
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 yeah mundus
omo ye nyame
oye nyame
eye omo anasa oye baako
but o was some 40 legends e wona say
and your friend mundus okay mundo ene ne nkrofo enti omo ka bom ana your friend mundus okay
no ne di na say means dark emperor and I said dark lord dia kwa ye ni nyina ne say ahyase wiase be hyase na obaade na ode too many ma nyame ye enyame an wono mu like omo hwa abode so ye fa say mimi nipa yi na me ye hene na me ntimi ndi ade nyina so say me hwe kron no me hwa ha me hwa no so ko yi asomfo say
obi anda na dafo
and that down no in case ade bi buru adwene nti ase so na tra ba panyin na nkase nim that's how our creator na ye panyin ana obo enyame say enyame na hwa ade nyina so
creator na sa bo enyame
owo enyame wo mase
o boy ana say enyame na wo ho dada
nyame no ye the most high ye address ne so ye most high ono ye fe no twedi ampo nyankopon
the obade no na ono oten
ono no ye yanka na say oni bibi say o ba bia wote or a source of infinite like or a light and darkness. They said the all kinds of a high soon.
Okay.
Or your papa no baby or your source on it is for next friends at the big being. Ni mu ana atoms and I say other gods no. If you buy yes, it's only mu and spirit in every buy. Okay. Or the creator idea. When you a specific idea bi mu, name mo wade nyina mu. So every living thing be a was as be a so obade no.
Owom.
Sa
enti me obade no omu sa no omu sa no owo ohwefo bi a wo hwem
emu sa to obade no obi em on the unity bibia and enti can say the creator is love o ade nyina mu aha enti ono ne bo nyame no e ma mo baaye no ana nyame na nkasa tena ase there was a meeting am here said there bi ye ntena ase ne monipa ye nya asomfo mo besom ye
nyame no omu free obade ni mo no omo na betena se ye meeting say ye mo ade
na ye mpe abode emomo nsom me ensom ye so what you say
me nyanti ase okay me pese obi ebe deviate ana se obi adwemo be ha no nti na ya na me interrupt o facha me obade no wo ni mu na ahohoma kase ni nyina enyame no epie free ye ana nyame ni mom na be meeting say mom ye mo nipa ana ye mo ade na sa ade na ebebo mom ma besom ye
eno ntina Genesis ka say ye mo
onipa
say ye so ene ye ban that means there was a lot of gods so
yes.
Say ye mo
na ne na eba sa ade na oba ade no ne dwuma de odi ye na ne de hin
the creator ne de ono obo supreme ones no nko aye gods no
ana
obo wo mu ne ono matena ana later on gods no am betena ase no ebe decide say ye mo onipa na enya omu like omu besom ye
okay
ye kwaye no eti enam de command to kwa ne sa ne ma ye ka say ntokwa bi si osoro ne sa ne ma nyina so part of the gods no decide aye mundus ana spradra ye obefa mount
ye tobo ase edru ho me pa cho hwede ne nso edin bi ho a wonte da edin bi ho wonte da ete sa politician bi ho ye nim nso o politician obo answer from nowhere no aba bebom ya oga na say na ya say politician bi omo frɛ no ono abo aponche ti asem ye woni ba bi ofri all of a no abewuram ya say ono abo aponche won so abe popular ya wa haya na honorable Chirabosom. One also from nowhere. Wababe Uram. Obi nim so a politician. Wababe Uram. On Sunday at here. Enti edibi oha. Ewo ho by a more suntrobia. Enti so better be just the spiritual horse. Okay. Enti yam to your boss yamo 1 okay. Me pacha wa wo twro die no so betwra. Enfo to ano wona ma mundus. Wona mo ho ahwan mesra omo ye loss. Yanta mo mo di keke. Ti sha no so ma me. Wo se wo Lord Mundus.
Lord Mundus. Or your God.
Or your God.
Or your God.
We nyame.
Or your nyame. Into one decided say there be ye mo nipa.
O body bi kan ho. Lord Mundus.
Mundus for her. You was Spectre.
Lord
Spectre.
Spectre.
Yeah, and you all Befamont.
Lord Befamont.
And you all Memphis Topheles.
Lord Memphis Topheles.
Fellas, yes. Or the God of the crossroads. Like Quanta and more pie for
Quanta nine
no. Or more mujina so they free to me in address it to that God no.
Me pacho tobuase. Sa boss spirit in di. Because you unkofo bebre a. Omo koye rituals e on Quanta na so. Enti ukojira Quanta na so no ammo sa spirit we di a.
Oh God.
Na se wo ha ho. Wo se friend say
Memphis Topheles.
Memphis Topheles.
Yeah, ni di no.
Memphis Topheles.
Yeah, ni di no.
Abo.
And all Befamont.
And the Lord Befamont.
Befamont is the honored god of witchcraft. One a year and I'm paying for.
Abayfo nyina hene.
Nyame.
Wo mu nyina nyame no. Lord Befamont.
And ye fe na yere Hecate, the goddess of witchcraft.
Na yere ni ede goddess
Hecate.
Yeah, me pese me bu omu di role because nkrofo dey
goddess Hecate. Yeah.
Goddess Hecate.
The goddess of witchcraft.
Fine.
It omu nyina decided say no, ye ntuntum sa. Say ye bebo nipa de ye mpe. Ene sa dia we will decide say ye ntena ha. Ene momo na mo ye superior no e say ye fight ye di throne ni mo na ye be ye rulers say dey be betima make laws enti ntokwa ne course so amle ne ntokwa ne course no sa tam na Lucifer no ye angel Lucifer no ye angel
no ye
Satan ye archangel sa tam ye
Lucifer Lucifer Satan no ye higher than
Satan ye higher than Lucifer. Lucifer was an angel, Satan was an archangel.
Okay.
Satan ye from Lucifer and Satan. No more dinya sa. Na Satan the Ebelish. And na
Ebelish.
The dino no.
Okay.
And na Lucifer. And Hell. 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 The dino no. Lucifer no. Hell. The original name a name see a different no. I don't know.
Hell.
Hell.
And now mo kan hell.
I don't be friend. Onu village region like yen can say ni state.
Kura wonu wo hweso no.
Aha. Ni dina da so. Ana mo ntime mo no yen hell. Ba nye hell. Hell. Means why God of light.
Okay.
Yes. Hell. Ni dina no.
Okay.
Ana lose your friend say Satan ye Ebelish.
Yes,
nti omo ne anyame no ko ye omo defeat anyame no.
Me pa cho sabre no ntokwa na si hemfa.
Esi was so by a spiritual realm ne so say the nim say clouds on ho no. Satan here exist here.
Okay.
Na spiritual realm as like ntokwa say realms in bebrebe wo why mfa ni hu. The unseen realms now ye more than
the hu. Okay.
So there omo me spiritualists and also omo me satanism and Luciferian omo prayer summoning spirits no. They know all the regions na make no. And obi am able to me be din bi anim say
ade na ye no kore.
This oma omunim no.
Beginners no.
Okay. Ana opeso hu no kore na anya book bi na ebe kire wo na emo pa your book bi or your great book. Your friend Astoroth. Ono de ono friend na someone na man ba. On the beginning of creation. Ewiase abodi ahyase dio eye de na ewiase ba ye. We kura ofiri hene we free. Obe kire bibia ka bibia.
Lord Astoroth. Ono kura de o Bible mo.
On na Solomon worship na obeka itiro mbeka ase Solomon si aboso me yakwase ase no. Astoroth. Ono friend no. Ono mo elite bi friend Astoroth by Astoroth ne dino no.
Okay.
So what I say? Nti wo mu nyina no decide ye ntokwa no omo ye dey like omo decide say ombe pese ombe di tron we ma angels no Lucifer. Me can say a friend hell and I Satan Ebelish a fight against whom Satan mo part of God's no mo yes anya nipa no no support to mo ni mundus no ma ko mo nyina free that room ne ba asase so no omo ni first God's wa omo benya underworld I free hell na I free wa enim no by ho Tartarus means Hades and as am
to bo ase o botanical name no
Tartarus
yes
Tartarus
yeah
A Greek word, sana Greek for
okay, Titalos.
And so many years anymore. You can say someone in spirits near in
Rome.
Because Satan the Lord Zeus preside in Hades. The Satan no more address Hades as thou God.
Okay.
I want to rule underworld. I want to walk a hand. It's a woman in every home of coin. I'm going to rule underworld. I'm going to take that like region and as a country. No, our Mutimo. So what I say to say, you know, Lucifer and other people in our support to say, your money panel or Mujitum.
Okay.
It's the quay and say, yes, shall see a bunny panel. Now Lucifer didn't say, see a bunny padia or no now, to see our support to one who have been rank be, to say Lucifer or support to you. Boss no coin will be now rank. Am I a ban so a man called Carub. Carub. Carub, Ezekiel chapter 28, verse 13, you know what answer so a carub.
Cherubim, carubim.
Yeah, no, a carub. To no a carub, no. And a Satan, a seraphim. Satan by a seraphim, the DNA changing from Iblis to Satan El means adversary God.
Satan El.
Satan. E-L, Baby Chato.
Satan El.
El means God. God.
Okay.
So by adversary God. That means or not dear. One of the Adrian said, they say we won't say any panady, no more Adrian, and Pamonco. Tis our title never told so. Nadam is adversary, so all cast say ya, or no better said the video can limp. I say, on your supporters, me support. There's
a time be or no. On support
to this is in one pet. This one, this is
no dear.
As hopefully. Son, what it always be a no adversary near this side in the man sit L.
That's one no against.
Or no, or no dear Becan the engine to. What dear Becan the engine to. Son on aim net here. It acquires Sano, I don't obey and to obey a seraphim. I'll obey a part of the gods. I know rule.
Let's obey a big.
Obey a big. I make you
seraphim a big.
Bigger than the carub. And son of Tron Swaba.
Okay.
So what as an son of about dominions, about virtues, about powers, and son about principalities, about angels, about angels. That's the heresy.
Angels and
angels and the like only a human normal form to say yeah, who bit me she be, and now so to say the joke. And no be angel be hammer better no. Or none ham ya or J Nidia yes.
Who bit me share angel one physical.
Omu shape shifters, like they can transform from one thing to another.
Okay.
Archangels and intimate transforming. They are same. Sene sin or tia, see or tia. Or no evoke muba. So you jawe ja or ba basija. Your tia or tia, intimate transformers, Madani and Madani. Omu shape shifters. Omukoya Sano. As I say, Satan, Abe Seraphim, and Lucifer, Abe Carubim. The acquired Antina, Umadrene say, see a bunny pa. And if Papa share or must say, so many that position as God's no map and some yellow. It's the Bible, no credit, dance say, a boy and a Lucifer, a bag of aiding or some better honor. And by say any pamum and some name of a say, who Lucifer is or Kutunipa, because any pie is superior than you.
Wow.
So what I say?
Or no,
what support you now, you know,
in the panel Bible is superior. Yeah, the agreeable by Yabono. One more back as Yama Mabacoto, and Yajuma. And my decision about say, Debbie, the Nipa we would not take a cake, na you know. Now, maybe dear, me to me, I'm a young frama. I Ephesians chapter 2, verse 2, dear dancers, where you came of the air. I want to rule the air, spirits of the air in national say. I say Lucifer say, Ephesians 2:2. Ephesians chapter 2, verse 2. The patrol quotation and so. What the Bible more?
Rebecca,
to me a one from Memunina, no,
actually
Lucifer, and her soul.
And then now that's your commander and the ruler of air.
Wow.
Ephesians chapter 2, verse 2, dear Madam say. So what I say?
Come on.
Enti acquires I say so no Satan is Lucifer more cotton person was it there be. Sadia way dear. Yeah, because if you see my baby cry and support me up a moment, didn't I am to Nippon on a brain nipa. I am not take a cow money to me to say. And a Sadia, Sans and Amoka and Prince on your Sadia will be free apple. It's in Tocano dear, Lucifer no man or we decided so move and quiet said your Muka say your Pamu free or so.
Ya to two mukra ya can see a pamu mumpo ya say ya so emu ani ya one no free heaven ho hwi time no other form
anyampa
and e bi kogu nsuom e bi kogu abotan mu e bi ko ye awurade
yes anetie sa ya can say mythology no every the fall of Babylon. The Bible cast a red dragon was cast out. He was talking about Babylonian empire. Okay. So time near goddess be who your friend Tiamat.
Tiamat
Tiamat. One no, Lord Marduk. That time the reign of Babylonia, no, not that two gods in your beef or Munyantopa. The Lord Marduk or a strong god, one it me defeated Tiamat, and or 23 or so. A buy, no kuno, and or 23 so ban. Tiamat, he was a dragon, or a dragon will be a spiritual be an answer, someone will know it. mentena ha mbɔ mitiri monka de tie na me
na woka
so ati ase na me kyerɛ sɛ wonji ndi a woyɛ bodo a nya
papa kyerɛ wadeɛ ne yɛnkɔ
na frɛ eti ɛyɛ saa no wie na Lucifer ne Satan no a ono ya adversary god na ya tum say saa ne ma na mode ba de yɛntime nye ne saa de yeso ebi firi hɔ ayɛ dɛ aba
yeso akɔ kyekyerɛ yeso yɛ de
no mo ba he no ana mo yɛ sɛ dabi saa nkɔfo ekura di kan no ma kɔ wɔ soro defeat wo ma ayɛ mundus no ne family no yɛ no ma kɔ defeat wo mu yɛ mo sam be di yeso wɔ asase we so yɛ sɛ kɔ hɔ ne kɔ konka da sector hɔ no ne akɔ no bɛ yɛ dia
ɛsa bɛ yɛ dia
bi kɔ underworld no ko defeat yɛ ana Lucifer and Satan became the chief emperor of hell. One a beda hell ninja no and Lucifer be second in command. Yet Satan is head on a supreme emperor. And the second command ye Lucifer.
Wow.
Who one ba Lilith. Lilith on a dada if man dear Diabano. Lilith. Adam first wife no. Okay, Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. So a bonipa and your bani boom just a day. Chapter 2 no. And obey changing and say, oh, my bear man than obeying in Fempa de Bebon. Chapter 1 is Lilith. On Adam. That's
Adam. No, worry me, you know.
Adam decant while Lilith. And my Lilith castle is superior than Adam. To an uncle Tonon Solet said in Uncle Poyano. It's one on only a permanent man of one figure of aiding him. Why, uncle? No inside night. Actually, you be if you can, or better that if you said, be a Diabani so tea would dear do no. Me medibi. Who said no cranny papa no. It's a son, I was with the obey yammy. To say the Yankopon, our mobile at Yeno, at TBD. To a TD, and Genesis chapter 2, 3 verse 22, Becca say, Na nipa abadan any yame, the Yampamo free through hand, while on better moments and on be dear Diabana immortal. No mudio mungu, no bear say, no bear dear be a bit my baby. And a decision about saying, Sadi and Pamo Musumo day. Wow, and am I a pum nipa so many pass by as I see so. Ni papa
me ye say wo ba ton
me ma yale me ma say na
nya no nso ne ye say so de ho kɔbɔ no ana sɛ wo gini tumu a ɛno wo bɛkɔ heli
heli yo no baby like ono no no original ruli ɛho no ruli
yes basa na wo nkɔ heaven hobi
ana nkɔ heaven hobi
yes wo bɛkɔ
Lucifer kra wo gidi so bɛkɔ heaven wo say emle bi ba wo kan your friend say Isaiah chapter ya na me pese be use Bible Isaiah chapter 13 verse 14 14 verse 13 o kan ya wo se emere bi beba me Lucifer mesa akosoro bio na metre onyankopon abode nyina so na medi hene na mebu aten aye niam nyina te se the most high God na tumi bi abehemase
Isaiah chapter 14 verse 13 me pa cho otwro Lucifer na kasa yo
Lucifer na kan o den sense ne
bo o se mere bi beba obesa akonyankopon hene no bio obetra ho bio na obebu aten
obeya die nyina bibia na obeya te se ono no the most high God
Lucifer na kasa
obeya te se the most high God na da means
na Satan kura anka ono mom na
Lucifer ono no nso oye so proud nti ono se taba no ya archangel kra no okoye your friend say Karubi no na o say oye morning star the nti oye morning star ne say na abofo ne atumi ni nyina hwe ne so if you say no oye mighty no oye powerful no obia o kasa o den say sine bo no oye tina ma obia kondo so pese oye so no and I'm over that title of the morning star. That means no shrine. And now it's not say a prince of the is a Caribbean, no more kubo, your friend, and the young can say, I quite not to know a group of Uncle mere mighty, and on an archangel Mikael woman. Archangel Mikael, no part of any. And I walk and come Mikael, no Montia, Michael, Archangel Michael, and one lady sanity. And I walk angel who also a friend of Macabre. Angel Macabre. Why angel? Why angel? When you demon. Angel Macabre. What the child of fire no? Oh ma ponko bi ne yesija wo no. And also no tie. Wow. Why mighty or 4 and so 4 say na it say 4. One of my friend the living creatures so da onyankopon anim kon. Inshirani aye nkan wo twede ampo onyankopon ate order Revelation. Or friend the 4 living creatures. Angel Macabre. Ni dino no. Macabre. Ni dino no. What I say, I don't know exist. Bible and some ho and some are what ye. When we any Bible no any Bible. Unko kenka Bible baby and ko say Angel Macabre. And the way and now what Angel Macabre. We are sophists here na sorry na ko Angel Macabre. Hey! When Macabre ni. Wow. Our friend bosom. My friend to me be I entered that. Till I won't say ye na wo ho. Me pa cho say see a baby e dream. Number me di dwuma. Ya betimi dia attest aba ababi sabibi dia kire wadwen no 0272 854387
0272 854387. When the number me didi juma, which I say ba mekenkai. Sesem se ba kubi aba. Ma menyi mienu bi mfrim. We say Major, please, good evening. Open Major, so I say today the TV sound is very clear and good. I'm Agabus from Pristia. Mr. Agabus, Nyamin Shroud. Was out to also say, Major, in fact, I'm learning pa. You are doing great work. I'm Agabus from Pristia. Was out to also be or say, I'm Agabus from Pristia. In fact, the guy is too much. Thanks for the education. Ben correct o ma. Brian man, another you say TV sound no emu da ho clear. Any na coffee TV, me hu ne clear. When you say when you want train the or say I need the teacher number. Also here our number. Number no dey aye din o. Me kura me na ti akwa me ni number. Me kura me ni number na wo. Edunya. Aye James Chapter 1, verse 2.
James 4:2.
Okodo, James 4:2. Also Okodo pa sunya. They say Okodo pa o. Maka just offer me a minti memfa. Phone ni ewu. Me an ekura me. Me hu pa za offer so memfa. So maka kire wo. Nya botre wate. Me pa cho twa me. Ma me nkonkwaje nkrato mra. Me ba e beto aso.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Aye Kumawood TV for at the job training. Ghana for nyina. Ye the enamienu esi ho. Achretre ensanu nyuma biti se. Fresh yogurt. Sani esi ye fresh yogurt. Bees making. Sani esi ye ahwene de to ye nsani esi si fefefe. Liquid soap, shower gel, floor cleaner, parazone, ice cream, banana and strawberry ice cream. Afa so ye besen so achretre 3D epoxy biodigester sansa no dwuma we nyina no ye de nam yenu pe esi ho na ya kyerɛkyerɛw we eye Kumawood TV fo ana ahyɛda akɔfa a teacher fo a ɔma ben ɛwɔ nimdie ɛwɔ nsa no nnwuma ho sɛ ɔmo betimi akyerɛkyerɛw na wo nso wanya wo nsa no adwuma na wo de aba obra ɛyɛ cool 300 Ghana cedis pɛ ana sɛ ye de 300 Ghana cedis pɛ ebesua sa ne ma we nyina ɛde nam yenu pɛ na ɛyɛ baabi a wo firi bia no wo betimi aba bi ye nyina ye ba Kumase ɛyɛ ahodwo Atenga junction baabi a Kumawood TV wona sɛ wo fra kyiri na ɛba accommodation baabi a obeda no ɛyɛ free Jumadi Ebaso 22nd and 23rd February 2020. Eti busumi atosu mienu. Nida atosu aduonu mienu eni aduonu miensa. Enumu ana ye sa Jumadi. Aye memenda eni kwesiada eni ye si ho. Se ye sa Jumadi we. We obi bia timi baby. Se wo ye lawyer ni, se wo ye fitani, se wo ye okuani. Adwuma bia wo ye bia bra na besua nsa no dwuma so ka ho. Enu ti fa number na egu screen so no. Na frey ensesi a. Frey was 0200 603 602. Frey 0543-596070. Freyense CA na register within a Kumawood Training Institute. Or say, and Sanu Juma Ainfie. A faina yesia tiesimu. A baya.
Are you ready? Pound it up, pound it up, pound it up.
Yes, Emmanuel was it Ubati Awoswo. Shake your waist. Ejeko, ejebo, ejananya bedu. Awoswo jumedia. Ye free naka cray. Achinchiri, akwam yamia. Ayi ma omu ofe. Omu wakono. Omu ucha. No mutimido musisi ediasa. Awoswo mani ye fe. Emmanuel say kwa yi omu miamia nyina. Ye do omu nyina be shiemu ewo Kumase. Ye be sha who is who. Sabre wena. Onsu betimi avotu. Na odi ama favorite contestant. Why anybody kunim? Why aye Kumawood TV. The April live. Miminde way and miminde bia. Ewa a WhatsApp ahojo Atenga junction. Kumase baby a Kumawood TV wono. Anumre no sia pepepe na red carpet na chance. No so na audience ni na trance 8 p.m. na nwotwe pepepe. E di dwumade na ahyehye so. Eye free. Anoti wonu abusuafo nyina. Momra na mama support mo favorite contestant. Babodi asa oba vote for Google Play Store. Download Kumawood multimedia. And I said but Awoswo keke. Na follow instructions no. Na vote to my favorite contestant. Way aya Wobati Awoswo. Was it Shake Your Waist sponsored by Wobati Wobate, Agombia capsules, and Asempa Heba Misha. Supported by some Dakus Initiative, Immense Creation, and a PSA collection. Osi Wobate Awuso, shake your waist. Ebeye butu, 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 butu. Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Aye Kumawood TV4 at the job training. Bregana Fonina. Ye the enamienu esi ho. Achetre ensano nyuma biti se. Fresh yogurt. Seni esi ye fresh yogurt. Bees making. Seni esi ye ahwenia de tu ye nsani esi si fefefe. Liquid soap. Shower gel. Floor cleaner. Parazone. Ice cream. Banana and strawberry ice cream. Afa so ye besen so achetre 3D epoxy biodigester sansa no dwuma we nyina no ye de nam yenu pe esi ho na ya kyerɛkyerɛw we eye Kumawood TV4 ana ahyɛda akɔfa a teacher fo a ɔma be awoni otwede amponyankopon hyira wo ya da asese asaba mframam mamini kan enyi me text message emfiri ho ababa obi di aba wo se e friend Matilda ya ohwe efiri dunkwawo o say ena de TV sound no emu da ho pa ene yemo ye nsama ye ho ene ye mpa ye boy onyankopon hyira wo me da se pa sister Matilda ena obi nso twroi o say please can I get the quotation of Lucifer said he will go to heaven again to stay there again obi de no o say o quotation no a Satan so be sa akọ esoro bio na wakọ tena obi no eno na ache mo say no Isaiah chapter 14 verse 13. It's opening Isaiah chapter 14 verse 13. No kind of sano. So besa kosoro. Well, so good evening, Samdakus TV. What do you know about Hindu gods? Is Lord Krishna and Vishnu gods or the creator?
Vishnu your God.
Vishnu your God.
Krishna, Jesus Christ. As like a representation of said you can say Jesus Christ.
Krishna no. Onu ya say Yesu Kristo oba asase so
oba ya say Yesu kura de ne beba
obeyi ni wadi enante eprichi eye de Yesu ye ni bi
ansana Yesu beba
Hare Krishna no
Hare Krishna
by Vishnu de
oya God
on the oya kese pa the mighty champion
enti anokra omokra to omo ni be Horus mo nyina wo Egyptian Horus she is that
meba when so good evening sir I'm Augustine from Wenchi. Please, I want to know the name of the spirits in the sea. I like your program. Ope Edia.
Leviathan Presiding.
Ahon me wonsuom. Ebi ne de he no.
Leviathan.
Lord Leviathan.
Presiding,
yeah.
Anna, your friend Niksha.
Yantimi oboni nyina. When so the Bible say, is heaven real? Heaven or ho? Obi so de no no. When so say, I'm learning today pa. Thanks for your education. Abdul Majid from the Nyomuase. We are Muase no can na say Nyomuase. Ene the other buy no. Ya da se usua de. Brahima na ye usua de. Na ye kasa ma ne kosi baabi. Ana me twa wa no na wo bobo edin bi. Na din na no odin. Ana disia na no odin na de baabi ya de akofa no ehu pa na mesrawo ma me educate kakra woti din bi ya emfa ntoa no emfa nyetua mu da onamo a Vishnu ma tese yesi we de sei me pa chaw omunye nkwada sade wontimi nkobo na otumfo din basa no sara no mu so yedan etienti ya tobo ase na ye nyina ensua de ye bedru ho Brahima na wo kire mu say Lord Lucifer oya homaso oya hanta dada wode nsa sirebo a oka woyo enti na honhom ni nyina so pese o yeso no na say baabi ade ekopem ye o say wo say obesa akosoro ho biu sabe Isaiah chapter 14 verse 13 no eka no wo say mesa ma akosoro ho biu
wo say na oka
na akomam obi nim se ni enim me pacho we de me ntimi nsan kenkan ma wo ya de ano aboso Isaiah chapter 14 verse number 13
What can Paul say? I am the morning star.
The morning
The
star.
one was I can be you. What can Cabra from Becca? Was me and so much strength for. The Matina Tiffy fem. Now my am also or suru near no. Hey, that's a.
You will be like the Most High God.
Most High God.
That means obey to say body, the Creator.
That's a quano a dangerous soul.
Obekos obey so.
Obesaye.
Obekor no obey.
That's why unstoppable.
I said in Ephesians chapter 2 verse 2, Nidia dancer says, still now you ruler and commander of the air.
That's a pam that and what kind.
And what
And I still a pam for no. Was said Jim. That's one free mukra.
No tuatina and I'll boot ten or more as what they mo yankopon. Lucifer the two moka. Okay, Ephesians chapter 2 verse 12.
Or no, you had no chance soon.
Sir, Obi or one din yankopon as in the Asubian, or no,
On the young Wajuma. Now, sir, in this case, or yeah, Jumama or body.
The same thing applies to Satan. Job chapter 2 verse 1. Was all my Bonsana Koso Job here, no Bonsana Casadin and Mas and Bass and Powaquania before. No duty. And Yankopon said, I said the wettima canon one dear, not to name than the man canon on the home. So that means a dana and the pay up on the free so, won't even cost ruby. When Yankopon so mass as you so that. Job Nebon, your friends in Yankopon Nebons and Musha and Jays are contract. This answer a question.
Now, sir, or Beji contract no from her baby any party or J contract. Well, we are Sako son one when Yankopon Sako try and was say, Wakua no affair, who's what
you be question be say also. You be question be say. Almost say, I shall see no, Yankopon Pamo on some free or so. Yan to Musa, swat ya say. It will permanently free so no, since they want to cost Rubio. And a brand Job so tiasino, then Yankopon so mass as you so that. Swat ya say, Satan used to Christo my
or my.
Aha, and Obama can say, yes, Christo, and Yankopon and Dano who is Christo. To be a question say. I shall say a permanent free or so, I'm not about Sassy so. When Uncle Possum see Assassi way so that. And your hand fan upon some, and Uncle Poco share Uncle Ye meeting more cars and Uncle Sujo Barry. And I'm passing now.
Sabia, there was spiritual network bit is a mobile phone. Tis certain in from her, then Uncle Posso so. And we'll try to him, and a bum and Uncle hello, maybe Satan. What's he saying? I was your boy. Yes, you are dear. And you maybe our common sense, Rebecca say, I dear way I meet dear. Not. I dear way party and yes, I here. My dreaming yajuma. Reason, Jenny, number be and Cassantra. Because o conscience no a better be.
One thing I say, man, on what I can add to it when I can say, once a Bible in your full book, Bible and Kita in your full book. Because there are a lot of books who are over year free. Yeah. It said the wisdom of Solomon, the testament of Solomon. The book 1 and 2 of Enoch. So what I said, the book of Tobit. So on the book of Jethro. Anna, your friend say Isaiah, Zohar, the book of Kabbalah, mysticism of symbols, words and letters and numbers. And the beginning of creation.
Nina any Bible.
Right,
my baby, me phone line no. Now, my mini text message you in frame, and then my cousin media chat text message in about year time. Was the evening, good work done. I like the thought. Please, I want the teacher to throw more light on what Santa for me. Satan or Tremasan, okay. Or say, or person who can Satan wants some year and manon. I'm saying, the master, no. So I say, can be a first Satan who ye manon. Now, who is Ampa, Lord Satan, or your beer, or your come up. Me patch my beer before line, no. And then, as some way, young Timmy treating me. Next week, your best out to us. Now, my beer phone line is 0200 603 0200 603 602. Me patch also bet you about Subi. Obaso Amefa, me no Becassa, maybe a bear kama. Now, my Shannon Suma me say, Obaso Anyatem the dear. Aquano to a bodam pa, when you answer cry, one comedy, Obi Frame. Or say, a dear boy in until Jesus Christ cry. Other than ye should be a frame. Tianka yesterday, and Chewan yesterday, a behana pa. And a dinner boy in a 1 years to be womb. Now, yes, you are a kid to be content of once years to have it my home. And I say, Ma Obin who say, Yes, Christ, your friend Jesus Christ. I'm more being now that say, Yes, your friend Jesus Christ. Your friend is hello. Yeshua, of free Israel. The part of my mentor was in a man faculty. Hello.
Hello, Major. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
The Pastor Yabuabina.
Hey, Adele, I told to say.
Thank
you. Adele, uncle.
Yo, mejo, me pacho very ma why are pa I don't know what I'm saying. Now, the question is better than you say very manifest. What kind Bible now Genesis no. Efa o ya ko wa de bom oboy no no. Oboy ni pa o ka say, mo ma ya mo ni pa ka yin suban yen sefo. Enti no ta ka no asofo ni bi ekiri mu say o ya ko pon ni Yesu pitu ene wo konkron o mo yen san na ya ko pon no o ka say mo ma ya mo ni pa no. Enti enya ni ko bi o mo ko ni pa na ma ti asere pe ni bi say ni pa ya wa ta ti wi say ye wu a na ya ko asama ndo ko na. Ketibe ni kuchiama haya kupona lakini pa ile yake no ndio ni kwa tena ndio yake
Eja abo ben nyankupo Islam so frey hello
open ka pacho ise
nyame gusu Islam na so
nyame ade mto ya pa
amen wodi ne ba bi akase
bi be chiri ka free access
mo obi bi ne yankoi
na mi jao pa ka me kan se me ya na me kisha sim ya enye mama so pa ta just as ya ben de swa
me pa to jira yire
ye ati e pa ku ka e te ben do ko ya ye mi ya bi shi e ti ma se
e ti me pa to jira no okay kasa
o de bi ni mu pa o to da bi ni mu pa awo
medase
ya bi anu hu wo do
medase
na mesre cha en sem bi se no mu to to ko because e men do ko ya e me ma to ya ne o ma no beti na o de ko ma chia ye papa ye ga da ko na ma
ya me sra me ni medase pa medase me pa to o friend live I mean to me peki wo first studio line no hello oh on to me peki very much em say ora ya abo aben edifre achem da o friend live I mean to me fa number ni 0200 603 602 hello che makate no ha ona kasa wo de na wo afra me
ya
me pa to jumo fi de kakra ma me why na body na che ba bi ofre hello oh on temenka munyi ni hello good evening sir
me wa to na ko na da ba ma se ati o te ya de
okay bẹ́ẹ̀ ma wa sumo ade a wo che o pese osu o be de no ho hello me ba to ba so na odumo fidie ne kakra ma me se be ya o bete me nka na me so meto de hello apa de kase oni ne ba bi akase free
hello ba good evening
sir good evening
na go say
ya me guso ya me kase pa ma me na so
hello
wa me pa to odumo fidie ne kakra se be ya o bete me nka yi why you fidie ne kakra ma me hello mommy me pa to odi ne ba bi akase free
good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. And I want to say, Nyamete as me we pa.
That's
Medasi.
But baby, I'm
oh, okay. Abra Nyamisa. Medasi pa. Medasi. Okay. Hello. Hello. Open kase odi ne ba bi akase free.
Me ba to me kase free e da te ba me
From Poma.
Ah, me pa to me to bi ba ba yi ma se. What the president o man kan ko job go o ko na ko mo se bi ka do. On na we si mo de me wa ko. What not that na o bi ko na ko wo o pa me. Ya ko bo ade mo mo we ko on we pa ade. Ana
now it's not Adam agreed more than the Kata. And the doctor, I'm not going to know Miss Rocker with the Gimpia. And the China was taken up. And such a Bible is not the credit. That is swapping the back.
Baba Super, Yame Israel. And now he's I'm not doing. Hello. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Opening with you. Me pacho en casa.
But I say no brano. I start to maybe be sector. But the reason I pacho say, we do some Messia. Yes, when I say we to keep the Union Kwana. It's a bad super bad. I say it too good to keep to me wrong.
Okay. Brother, I say here funny I try the Bible mo say, your boy Jesus Christ dia. O say katamanya kotoje nyina nkoto. Also say Yesu dia na nya ne dia. Enti ono wante ase eno o kan won asem say. Ya no ebere obi ama ye de ya no ma.
You will say Jesus Christ no. Baby. Bye.
Efrehefa.
Roman Empire.
Hello.
Hello.
Opani wo di ne baby akase free.
Bacha me bindu openja kwa iko.
Me pato tobo asema me. Brabi.
Pacha I'm the like Lord best someone and want them like one man just pantan kan beto
Mate nyame adoma. They say ebra me ko. Enti nyame adoma next week obesa ba. Ye beto so Lord Befamont ho. No wate asie yi. Ene awo ho aka.
But you must say on funny man that end Mr. Na on first
Mate me da say. Very ma. Na o che Yesu di mo say e di ni free baby na buy.
Free baby na buy.
Ehefa. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Opani wo di ni baby akase free.
Me kasa free asati achim konabo. Kiga.
Mo ada yankoi.
Me pacho entrepreneur na o church no. Because that different na papa no the antichrist.
Me da say.
Ana o entrepreneur. And you should put na mo money na ho.
Okay.
You meet me at no.
Me da say. Eda, nyame shira pa. We no highest teachings. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Me pacho. Wo di ni baby akase free.
Because that fish na o me na actually.
Okay. Opani me tio.
The person who
Me tio. Opani me tio. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Opani me pacho to wo aseka che obi ofre bi ase. Onya afre na me ntimi fa afre fo bi e bi. Ona me ka che why? Ka che o mo ma me.
Hello.
Hello.
That's it.
Me pacho kasa na oso.
No, me don't go for here.
Nyame guso ye ne ma kase na so e.
Ya me adu boko.
Pacho me da se. Yan ko.
Yo, asami na person say ma jin kakra. Ene say when Ghana for when you to people when you to for the best research will be cancer when you abo train na yintim. I was a Christopher, a brass of a Christopher are in Sinadio. It will be the cancer man. You call research, you buy a hair about the attack. To be the Asamada to you may say Bible can say, now coupon and name is ya ever so. And I'll move you and I'll some so about with million and offer him. And I was living in a massage, so that I know your is really heaven. Mena masase so me tinti me be ha and no head ya some work but that time so that will make you no bon some ya to natural asase so you abandon from heaven. If you abandon from heaven yeah and you tell me ya me ne makusi we say so ko wa ya me ni bi ko mon no ma before ampamo no ba say we ya pamo wa ha if you research more listen to ya you know the word of the truth you go by and say Bible kutayen Old Testament 90% and out. We begin to say slave Bible
plain Bible or normal Bible to tell you. New Testament 50% and you're out. Yeah, can I remove her? I think you're out. No more than in a man to come a Bible by and a man was not in Ghana now. Never Ghana. When you research, you can say, I've never applied a bisumu, and one I have taken the bisumu, we could be an attack, and we can see this year, the dealer, nothing. I'm not going to put about the Kenya. The big son question attack, and I'm why my name is man called me. Let us say, oh, by the way, but I'm for a Casafre. Oh, Casafre. Oh, okay. And so Casafre UK. What do you chipa? What's here? Assembly. The part of me that say, mean to me for friendly be a bill. First message Kakrebi Abana, my meaning for. Well, say, who are gods for the days of the week? And who is God of water and earth? I'm say UK ni where they need the any free UK. Well, say, and your member and na watch so. And your member and ensure any assassin so. Ya they know so teaching for ya the beba. When so I say, when did Moses come after creation? Richmond from Chiapiase. When did Moses come after creation?
Moses
answer your body. Brahima, Ebraninti, me pato or last word.
Okay, Master made my character to want to say. To say the brother kind. One thing is say, progress be a cassette, a tree that will grow to heavens, no, must first extend its roots to the darkness and answer to hell.
Dia a person enyini aya tenten kosoro no this one ne hine ni wura fom
asase ase
wura asase ase ansa no watimi akosoro
ansa no akosoro na ho ade mpie wo han mu epie wo sum mu ansa
Kai.
Always be the first thing ade e boy e han ya mosum darkness was there by light was created some person the party ase
wow
it is all person who nim de wo han mu a first no eye so usua de free sum mu ansa woti sum ase a opie wo han mu a obi antimi stop o tina dua bi no factory ne say me wo gidie say yetwa me so mpo a
na san fefe
di entia yetumi
ne efiri asase ne mu na so free asase na se na eba na se darkness wo no
na nyankopɔ okra no opie o Moses mpan so a yebisa say mo fra no opie a so opie wa de be mu
esum
mu ntum mu
o se me mete sum mu ye nyame ya mente han mu na mo sum na mete
no te denti no te sum
wow
yana Christopher no me ba o we na ma me to amre kakra Christopher ne nte han ne sum ase ye ka han a o ma dwene say han ye papa ana sum ye bone sa na show mutirim nya sa na tie secret na e wo sum no do so chen de wo han mu de yam ye ni hu no e do so chen de ye ni hu ti ni pa nsu ade so ati ase
wow
mo kwan
me pa cha me da ase we de obviously no comment me bra na so awie na ma men kan se mo kakra bi ncho na men sign out me ma create platform bi me say obi pese osua de na onhunu ahonhom ahodo ene se de ahonhom nyina si di omudwuma esuma ahonhom ene han ahonhom o pese otene ma bi ase a me pa cha me number ne nie 0453 011 926 and 0272 854387 fresh lines mu bi na pese obedwan ne a frɛ me no obekasa administrators ne bi wo US ebi wo South Africa and ebi nso Israel and ebi nso Ghana ya no obekasa me pacho me de enchia me yankasa me yere Mrs Rebecca Opokudako mama yankopon shaw me amikru nso sister Augustina nyame shapa sister Loretta onyame nyokase na me cameraman Mr Kawachi Eradi shapa Kawachi ba kope wo dem ye top na Mr Ochinozo me pion ba kope one of them and my able director me chairman no brasa me Eradi shapa no yere e no ma onto nkwam no mo adwen a emudo what me di aboa yesa me pa cho me da ase nyame ya domo a adwoada ye besa akọ amamre fie brari ma wo chia o yera na me pa cho me the program no esi o ha ya bye bye
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Aye Kumawood TV for at the job training. Ghana for nyina. Ye the enamienu esi ho. Acheche ensa no nyuma bi te say fresh yogurt. Sani esi ye fresh yogurt. Bees making. Sani esi ye ahwene de to ye nsa ne esi si fefefe. Liquid soap, shower gel, floor cleaner, parazone, ice cream, banana and strawberry ice cream. Afei so ye besen so acheche 3D epoxy, biodigester. Sansa no dwuma we nyina no ye de namienu pe esi ho. Na ya acheche we eye Kumawood TV for ana ahyeda akofa a teacher for a oma ben ewo nimdie ewo nsa no nyuma ho se omo betimi akyerɛkyerɛw na wo nso wanya wo nsa no adwuma na wo de aba obra eye ku 300 Ghana cedis pe ana se ye de 300 Ghana cedis pe e besua sa nneema we nyina e de namienu pe na eye ba bia wo firi bia no wo betimi ababi ye nyina ye bakuma ase eye ahodwo Atenga junction ba bia Kumawood TV wona se wo fira chiri na eba accommodation ba bia obeda no eye free Day Ebaso 22nd and 23rd February 2020. Etibusumi atosumienu. Nida atosu aduonumienu eni aduonumiensa. Enumu ana ye sa adwumade. Aye memenda eni kwasiada eni yesi ho. Se ye sa adwumade we. We obi bia timi baby. Se wo ye lawyer ni, se wo ye fitani, se wo ye okuani. Adwuma bia wo ye bia bra ne besuensa no dwuma so ka ho. Enu ti fa number na egu screen so no. Ne frɛ yen sesi a. Frɛ yen was 0200 603 602.